What do you mean? There's a big... You guys think I could oh shit. I only like... Oh my god. Oh my god, good deal. Isn't my kid a bad one? Except for there's one girl that can out-burp me because she can sing and burp at the same time. And she's also another cosplayer. And when I was around her, I was like, bro, you've got crazy ass burps. Like, I can't burp that.
Oh god. Oh god.
I'm done spending
Yes.
money on
And then another. I think it's Sparky done.
It's a spider.
It's a spider. It's a... Yeah. Oh my god, excuse me. Oh yeah. Her with the braids. Excuse me. Oh my god. Excuse me. Oh my god, excuse me. Oh my god, was that my dragon? Oh my... Oh, I can't burp right now. I mean...
Goddamn.
I can't. I can't. Oh my god, I'm sorry. Oh no. Oh my god. I know, I didn't. Oh my god. I'm watching burping video through this. Oh my god. Excuse me. Oh my god, excuse me. Is that my dragon? Is that... Oh my god. That was a good one. Wait. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Jesus. Who cried? Who the fuck liked my
Goddamn.
Is that someone like my comment? I think that was the best one. Oh, that one lasted kind of long. That was kind of delivery. That was deep. Wait. Oh my god. Bro. Excuse.
Creative.
Hey, I put. Okay, I'm gonna.